Listen, you are saying you are the owner of the shop, yeah? But your work papers, this one's, it says work and study. Now I'm asking you a simple question: work and study, but you are owning a shop. When are you going to class?
And he's proud.
Where are your books?
He's proud.
Which institution? Which books? So you know my questions,
What's the subject
but you can't
that
answer.
you're majoring on? Se foreign country,